So I did a small experiment at the weekend, and the gist of it really is that I wanted to see which LLM would be the best for creating a slideshow that would show me how to use prompts as a product manager. So what I did is I logged into 4 different LLMs, gave them the exact same prompt, and try and see, well, what would the results be? So what you're looking at the moment here is Claude, which I usually use for coding, but I asked it to create a presentation for me. And as you can see, it's going through the different steps. It's called reasoning. Effectively, you can see how it's kind of thinking, how to get there. And pretty quick, actually, it's created this slideshow, which, is quite nice. Excuse me, visually it looks quite nice. There's a few kind of benefits here. You can save it to Google Drive. You can download it to your machine. By the way, when you download it, you can open it directly in PowerPoint, which is pretty slick, actually, for something like this. And of course, you can change everything too as well in terms of what you see in the presentation. So far, I thought this was really impressive, and then I thought I'd look at other LLMs and see how they approach it. So here's what it looks like in PowerPoint. You can see it's pretty nice, yeah, for something that was, just one prompt, and we got it in 30 seconds, something like that. I tried it in Google Gemini at the same time, and it's thinking about it, it's going through the steps, but it seems to be stuck in some kind of loop. It just can't get past this. It's thinking and thinking and thinking, and to be honest with you, it never got to the end. I tried to change the settings and it just wouldn't work. So just interesting, different things. Here's DeepSeek, probably the most minimal one here. This is fine, but you have to copy and paste it into PowerPoint. I don't have time to do that. It kind of defeats the whole purpose, but it's okay. It's bare bones type stuff, and you can share it. DeepSeek has other strengths. This isn't it. Here's the winner. ChatGPT. I gave it the prompt, and straight away it gave me a PowerPoint. Now I shouldn't say the winner in that it gave me a PowerPoint almost immediately, and as you can see, it's there. But it is kind of bare bones. Whereas the one from Claude is much richer. It's visually more interesting, so forth. However, if you spend more time with ChatGPT, you'd probably get a much more refined version. And as you can see, unfortunately, Gemini is still thinking. So I hope you found that interesting. I'll do a few more experiments.